What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Hey, today on the channel we are going to put new wiper blades on the Jeep Renegade because winter is upon us now, and we want to make sure we see clearly going down the road. So we're going to get this done, and the only tool you might need is just a small screwdriver. So I'm going to bring you over here, get things set up, and I'll be right back. Well, I needed new windshield wiper blades for the Jeep Renegade Trailhawk, so I got these Winter Extreme Amco blades from A&A Truck and Off-Road here in Dallas, PA, which I'll put their web address right down here. So one thing you have to keep in mind, there is two different sizes on the Renegade. One is a 22 and the other one is a 20, so the passenger side is a 20. But there is a little tab right here on your wiper blade arm, which all you have to do is push down on that tab and pull the wiper blade off. But if you can't get that tab down because it might be stuck or some debris in there, just use a small flathead screwdriver to push this tab down. But I just pushed it down a little bit, so it should be fairly simple to get off. I just push it down and pull my wiper blade off. Now, be mindful that you don't want the arm to slam down and hit the window. So then you open your new blade. And like I said, this side is the 22 OE and Winter Extreme WX22OE is the part number on this. And I'll also put that down below. So with the new blade, you will get multiple pieces here. So what you'll do is just get your old blade and match it up to the one you want, and it looks to be just like that. So it doesn't look like I have to use any of these, so I'll just put these off to the side for now, and I'll try it without the adjustment sleeves, and I'll just slide this in to make sure that this is in there nice, and I'll just push it in and pull it in, and I'll double check it to make sure my wiper arm's on, and I will also compare it to the original, and it's to be about the same size. So this side is done, so now I'll take you on the other side and show you a view from this angle here. So here we are on this side, and this side is a 20-inch, so you'd want to make sure you use a 20-inch blade over on this side. And then maybe you see at a better angle, here's the little button that you want to push down. Now you want to be mindful that the arm doesn't come flying back. You could always put a towel here or something to protect your windshield. So all I'm going to do is push down on that tab, which I could feel it going down. Just simply pull the arm off, throw that up there. Discard the old blade, then get my new blade, once again compare the old one to the new one to make sure everything's fine, and make sure that it's identical, and it appears to be. So I'm just going to get my new blade, grab the arm, I'm going to slide this on, and you'll hear a click, and then just double check by giving it a tug on there, and now your wiper arms are now changed, and you have new ones, and you're good to go. Well, I hope all this helps you guys out in changing your own blades. It's a very quick and easy fix to a pain when you're driving down the road with bad wipers. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay updated on new videos. So till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.